stay tuned. I'm doing dropping my car, dropping the rental car, and I'm gonna be on my charger again. I'm gonna pick it up my baby today. So guys, let's see what happened today. I'm right here, rental place, Enterprise. So you already know what's going on today. So we are here with my boy Harry. Look at him. I'm going inside the cabin. That's my work. That's my work done today. Oh, I'm gonna show off my car soon. So yeah, we are here. Nice offer. So we jumping and this mother flowers. We are here. We are here putting gas. This bitch always thirsty. Always thirsty. So, yeah, man. Stay tuned. So we're gonna slide today. We're gonna slide today. And a little red eyes. A little red eyes. You know, yeah, right, little red eyes, yeah. That's my boy here.
They always thirsty.
Always what, boy?
Always thirsty.
So you know what's going on tonight. Today,
You want something from inside?
it's gonna be lit. So, that's it finished. That's it finished. But this is how much. This is how much this car taking it. So stay tuned. And there's a 93. So yeah, that's why he take it. He take 40 something, almost 50 bucks. It's a nice car, huh? It's a nice car. So finally,
That's funny, right?
we are here. My boy Harry. We come to Arrigo. More par. So we are here. Pick it up some part. I'm gonna put the parts together in my car And I got my car today. So keep watching, stay tuned. Hammy life, hammy life, hammy life. So we are here putting my part together. You're gonna put the plastic on. Car is already fixed. You can see it. The car is already fixed, guys. So I'm coming out of the road. So stay tuned. We coming out of the road. We coming in the road. Real shit. So you know what time it is. So we are here. Work done. Work done. Work done. It's coming. The car is coming to the shop. My boy. Yo, shit. So we are here and the go-kart. So you already know what's the vibe. This is high shit. This is high shit. Look at that. Look at that. It's cold. So we are here. We go in the fucking go-kart. Go-kart shit. Marathon. So stay tuned. Suki! Yeah! Oh my friend! The beer fell out! We are here! No, we are here! Another speed map! So, we are here! East costume, they fire. SMF, Blue Shark. Make sure you follow. That's my boy right here. Oh shit.
I'm going on with you, Dad.
You know. Another banger video. My car is done today. I'm fixing it. We are here. Washing the car.